Hello and welcome student. So today in this video I will solve the pre-final question paper of 2015. So let's start with the first question. The first question is given, choose the correct answer. So there are 10 objective type of questions, so we'll discuss one by one. Okay, so the first question is given, if HCF A comma B is equals to H, then LCM of A comma B will be, there are 4 options are given. So which one will be correct? Here you see the first option is given A plus B by H, second is given H by A plus B, third option is given A into B by H, and fourth option is given D by A into B. The right answer will be option C. Okay, so how we got that answer, I'll show it here. So here you see, as you know, HCF of any two number into LCM of any two number is equals to product of that two number. Okay, so now HCF of these two number is given H. So you take H. We don't know we don't know what is the value of LCM of these two number. We have to find it, right? So you keep as it is into A into B. So if you take this one to the right hand side, you will get LCM of A comma B is equals to A into B by H. So option 3 is the right answer. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Our next question is given, the equation A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0 will have infinite pair of solution when there are 4 options given. Out of these 4 options, which one will be correct? Option D will be correct. So as you know, if A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, it will be intersecting pair of line, right? So in that case, the pair of line will intersect each other. Intersecting line. Okay, and it will have only one solution, right? Next one, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. In that case, it will be what? Parallel line. It will be parallel line and it will be no solution. Fine. And the third one is A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. In that case, you will get, that is coincident line, and you will get infinitely many solution. This is coincident line. Okay, and it will give infinite solution. So these are the basic information you should know. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Now the next question is given, the equation of a line parallel to x-axis. When it will be parallel to x-axis? When the value of x is 0. How? I'll show you. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. If the value of x is 0, suppose it is having some value of y. Suppose the value of y is 3. Okay, so the coordinate of this point will be 0, 3, right? So in that case, through this point you can draw a parallel line which is parallel to x-axis. So in that case, the value of x should be 0, then only the line will be parallel with x-axis. Okay, and to be parallel with y-axis, the value of y should be 0. Fine, you should remember this one. Therefore, option D is the right answer. Our next question is given, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to, answer is 1. You know that formula. This is from trigonometric identities. Okay, so you have to remember all this formula. Our next question is given, the empirical relationship between the 3 measure of central tendency is, there are 4 options given. So out of these 4 options, which one is correct? Option C will be correct, because 3 median median is equals to 2 mean plus mod. Okay, this is the empirical formula, and most of the students they forget this formula. Okay, they get confused whether 3 was here or it was here or 2 was here. They get confused. Okay, there is a simple mnemonic technique to remember this one. So I made the sentence 3 medicine to me at one moment. This is one, right? So at one, MO mean moment. So 3 medicine to me in one moment. So this is how you can remember the formula nicely. Fine. Move to the next question. The next question is given a curve cut the x-axis at 3 different points. The degree of the equation of the curve is, what will be the degree? The degree will be equals to 3. Okay, because whenever in curve cut the x-axis at 3 different points, then the degree will always be 3. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Next question is given 1 root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and n not equals to 0 is 0. So one of the root of the quadratic equation is 0. So it will be possible when? It is asking. So here option A is given b equals to 0, c equals to 0, option B. Option C is given b greater than 0, option D is given c greater than 0. What will be the right answer? The right answer will be option B, c equals to 0. See how? Suppose ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If this value is 0, this value is 0, then we can write ax square plus bx equals to 0, right? So in this case, what is common here? X is common. So if you take out x, here it will remain ax plus b equals to 0. So these are the two factors. X equals to 0 and another one is ax plus b equals to 0. Here the value of x is already 0, one of the root. The other root will be ax equals to minus b, x will become minus b by a. So this is the second root and this is the first root. So it will be possible when c is 0. Okay, then only one of the zeros of the quadratic equation will be 0. Okay, so move to the next question. The area of a sector is 1/3 of the circle. The length of its arc is, okay, so this is the circle, suppose. Okay, and 1/3 mean out of this, suppose this is 1/3. So you have to find the length. Suppose AB. You have to find the length of this arc. Okay, so what will be the degree here? What will be the degree? So what is the angle for this? If you make a one round, what will be the total angle? That is 360. So it is saying 1/3. 1/3 means this is the 1/3. So you have to find theta is given 1/3 of a circle. So theta will be 1/3 of 360 degree. Mean 360 by 3. If you cancel it, it will be 120 degree. Theta is 120 degree. Okay. So to find the length of arc, what is the formula? Length of arc is theta by 360 to pi r. Okay, because we are using the circumference part, right? So till this part it is 1/3. Fine. So you have to find only this much part, and that is theta by 360 to pi r. So theta is how much? 120. 120 by 360 to pi r. So if you cancel, it will be 1, this will be 3. So this will become 2 by 3 pi r. Okay, so which option? Option A will be our right answer. Fine. So our next question is given the probability of an event PE equals to 1 by 3. Then you have to find P not E. Okay, so as you know, there is a formula PE plus P not E is equals to 1. Right? Here the value of PE is given 1 by 3. Fine. So you just take this one to the right hand side, you will get P not E. This is 1 minus 1 by 3. So if you take LCM 3, this will become 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So which one? Option A. Okay, 2 by 3 will be the right answer. So the last question of the multiple choice question is question number 10. The temperature recorded at a particular place on particular day from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. are given below. So these are the data given. So you have to find the median of given data. So how to find the median? So before finding the median, we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. Okay, you have to arrange them in ascending order. So let me arrange. So data are given, I arrange them in ascending order. Okay, so median mean the middle term. Now here you see the number of terms. How many number of terms are there? 12. N equals to 12. Okay, 12. So what will be the middle term? There will be two middle term. If it is odd number, then there will be only one middle term. But if it is even number, then there will be two middle term. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this case, there will be two middle term. In the left hand side you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the right hand side also you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be two middle term. Okay. Without using the formula, how to find the median? This is the trick. So you just arrange them in ascending order. Then you just pick the middle two term. Okay. In case of even, there will be two middle term, and in case of odd number, there will be one middle term. So median will be, you just add these two number, 22 plus 23 divided by 2. So this will be 25 by 2. So answer will be 22.5. This will be the median. Okay. There is one formula for this also. You can check it out by yourself. Okay. So this is all from this objective type questions. Let me try some question which carry 2 marks. So question number 2 is given x plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 4. So these are the two equations. Now you see the coefficient are same. The coefficient of x is same, y is also same. Okay, so you don't have to multiply with any of this number. Fine. So what you can do? You can directly subtract. So subtracting 2 from 1. Suppose you are subtracting 2 from equation 1. So you can write x plus y equals to 14 if x minus y equals to 4. If you subtract, then this will become plus and this will become minus. Okay. In case of addition also you can do it. In that case, y will get cancelled. Okay. Let me do in this way only. Subtracting. So this will get cancelled. Plus minus minus plus plus, it will be plus 2y, and if you subtract, this will become 10. So y equals to 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So y equals to 5. Fine. Now what you will do? Putting y equals to 5 in 1. So you put in 1, that is 14. So the value of y is 5. So if you take to the other side, you will get 14 minus 5, that is 9. The value of x is 9. Fine. So moving to the next question, question number 3. Find the 10 term of the AP. AP is given 2, 7, 12. Okay, you have to find the 10 term. This is how many term? 3 terms. So after 10 term, what will be the digit? Okay. So first what we'll do, we'll find what is A. A is 2. D is what? 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, that is 5. D is 5. And what is N? You have to find 10 term, right? So N will become 10. So as you know, the nth term formula is N plus N minus 1 D. This is the formula. Okay. So you just replace those value. So you have to find A 10. So the value of A is 2 plus N is 10. 10 minus 1. D is 5. 2 plus this is 9 into 5. So 2 plus this will be 45. So if you add, you will get 47. So the 10th value will be 47. Fine. So our next question is given. For what value of k, the pair of equation kx plus 3y equals to k minus 3 and 12x plus ky equals to k. So what we will do? We will find what is a and what is b and what is c. Okay, so as you know, for a unique solution, what is the formula for a given pair of linear equation? That is a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, isn't it? So first we have to find what is a1, a2. Okay, so here a1 is k, b1 is 3. You don't have to find c because we are not going to use it in this formula. Here a2 is 12 and b2 is k. So for unique solution we follow this formula, right? So you just replace those value. K, what is a2? a2 is 12 not equals to this is b1 is 3 by k. So if you cross multiply, it will be k square, and if you cross multiply this one, 12 into 3, so k square is not equals to 36, and k is not equals to square root of 36 is, that is k not equals to 6. Now it is given k not equals to 6. So here what we will write? Except 6, all value of k has unique solution. Okay, so except 6, all value of k will give you unique solution. Okay, so that's all for today. I will not make the video more lengthy. In my next video I will start from question number 5. Okay, so that's all for today.